If you're using an iPhone, there are a few quick things you should do to keep your device running smoothly and securely. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Safari. Next, scroll to the bottom, tap Advanced. Then, Website Data. Tap Remove All Website Data to clear stored website data that may be taking up space or causing certain websites to load outdated information. Next, open the Files app and tap Browse if needed. Open the Downloads folder and review any files you no longer need. If you find old or suspicious downloads, you can delete them to free up storage and keep your device organized. Finally, go back to Settings. Tap General. Then Software Update. If a new iOS update is available, download and install it. Keeping your iPhone updated gives you the latest security patches, bug fixes, and performance improvements. These are 3 simple maintenance steps that can help keep your iPhone secure and running efficiently. Just remember that clearing Safari website data will sign you out of some websites, so make sure you know your login details before removing it. And that's it. If you found this quick iPhone tip helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and step-by-step guides.